After we capture our image and videos from screen with the capture tool or imported image and videos, in this environment you can edit them. This software provides you with a small but useful editing tool that our tools are only active when working on images. In the recent section of the software, all recently imported or captured files are located here in the recent part. If a file is deleted from here, it's not a problem because all of them are in the software library. If you click on a cross or X button here, it says close, means that the file will only be removed from this environment and will be not removed completely. And by clicking on any file, you can open it in the editor environment. As mentioned, you can even import other images from your system. There are two ways to do that. The first is easily drag and release a file from your system into recent environment, or you can import them by going to File menu and then Open. To changing the display size of the file in the recent environment, simply right-click on one of the files, and in the thumbnail size, select between small or medium or large. Okay, be back to medium size. That will be teach rest of the option later. In this section, you can see two tools. Image from template, that is use software template and you can put your image on it. As you can see, we have several templates to do that. Mixing text and images. Okay. Another tool is video from image, which means make a video from images you imported. We will explain these two tools separately in the next lessons. The capture button is for capturing image and video as see before, and the library is where all files stored, as you can see. But here is a list of all tools used to edit photos, which by clicking on each of them, their setting will appear in the properties section. There are a lot of tools to edit images, as you can see. There are also effects part that you can apply them to photos and images, as you can see. We explain each of them one by one in the next lessons. Okay, this section is for changing the quality of the photo. We will be explaining this tool separately. Okay, that is editor environment. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.